Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want an AI pair programmer sitting right inside your editor, GitHub Copilot is the absolute ultimate tool. Today I'm showing you exactly how to install and activate it in Visual Studio Code, so you can write code faster than ever before. Let's get right to it. First, open up Visual Studio Code. Head over to the left sidebar and click on the extensions icon, or just use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Command-Shift-X on a Mac. In the search bar at the very top, simply type in GitHub Copilot. Look for the official extension published by GitHub and go ahead and click that install button. Visual Studio Code will handle the download and installation in just a few seconds. Once the extension is installed, you need to link it to your GitHub account to actually activate the AI. You should see a prompt pop up in your editor asking you to sign in. Click the Sign In with GitHub button. This will open up your web browser where you can log in and authorize Visual Studio Code to connect to your account. By the way, some older tutorials might mention having to join a waitlist at this stage, but don't worry about that at all. That is an outdated step, and Copilot is fully available right now for anyone with an active subscription. Click Allow and let the browser send you back to your editor. After you are signed in, you just need to refresh things so the changes take effect. Press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows or Command-Shift-P on a Mac to open your command palette. Type Reload Window and hit Enter. Once the editor refreshes, look down to your bottom right status bar. You should see a little Copilot icon sitting there, letting you know your new AI assistant is awake and ready to code. And that's it. You're completely set up to start using GitHub Copilot. If this quick installation guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what kind of programming language you're going to use Copilot for first, and I will see you in the next one.